Holds up to 16 ounces of soap or lotion, refillable from top. Fits newer Kohler soap dispenser models, 1893, 1894, 1895, 1994, 1995 and 7346. Newer Kohler soap dispenser assemblies use this bottle, which is frosted white. Double-check your Kohler model for compatibility. This is not a universal bottle and is only for use on the models listed above. These new bottles are not compatible with the old soap dispensers manufactured prior to 2005. Dispenser assemblies manufactured prior to 2005 use the Kohler clear bottle, part number 1038230. Note: the consistency of some liquid soaps is thin or watery and may not squirt properly from the dispenser. Use a thicker liquid soap, such as Softsoap, which will dispense from the spout at a more downward angle. Kohler Genuine bottle for soap lotion dispense. Top reviews from the United States. It fit correctly. The product arrived and after opening the shipping bag the new soap bottle was in a Kohler bag. It fit perfectly and we are now using our dispenser. What happened to me could happen to anyone, so I will describe why I had to replace the bottle. When I first installed the original bottle I had cross-threaded it and this caused it to crack at the thread bottom near the top of the bottle. It had leaked a little bit over time and the only reason I found it was because I removed it to clean around the dispenser. Contributing to the cause of the failure is the fact that it is very hard to see because the bottle blocks your view while you are installing it. I took better care when installing this new one and I could tell it was going in straight. I filled it up and it works like new now.